In this video I'm going to show you how to fix stick drift on Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2. Press on the plus button in the top right corner, then scroll all the way down to the settings icon, select settings, then scroll with the R button here all the way to controller, and then scroll down to controller dead zone, and here you see left stick dead zone and you see right stick dead zone. And what you see is that when I increase the value, the blue circle is getting bigger. What this means is that when you're moving your analog stick, it takes movement to recognize you are using it. So the larger the blue circle, the more you have to move your analog stick for Fortnite, recognizing you're actually doing something. So this is also how it fixes the stick drift. It's not like you solve the entire issue with the controller because some dirt or something is causing the stick drift, but it's more like masking it. So just increase the value of the stick you have problems with until you have no stick drift anymore. Press X to apply. And this is how to fix stick drift in Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2.